dollar won't go quite as far at Dollar Tree these days. The company now says it will increase its maximum price at stores to $7 this year.
We now know that Dollar Tree intends to increase their maximum price to $7, but we don't know if they'll also increase their minimum price of $1.25 for most items. Until we find out for sure, here are a few of my faves that still make sense to purchase at Dollar Tree. You won't find 4.5-inch mirrors for less than $1.25 anywhere else. Here's a super simple but elegant spring DIY using Dollar Tree mirrors. I used a strong adhesive and 5 square Dollar Tree mirrors to make a mirrored box. I then added a second layer of the octagon-shaped mirrors. For just $1.25, you won't find better faux flowers or greenery. And here's how my super cute spring centerpiece turned out. Am I the only one that still has their Christmas wreath up? Well, I'm about to change that by making my own unique spring wreath using all Dollar Tree supplies. I used Dollar Tree zip ties to connect the stems to the wreath form. To achieve this full look, I used a total of 10 bunches. I made a burlap ribbon for my wreath, but I also like the wreath without the ribbon as well. Which version do you like best, with or without the ribbon? Let me know down in the comments below. Some of my absolute favorite home decor crafts have been made with Dollar Tree wooden signs like these. I'm using hot glue for this project, but you could also use wood glue as well. I ended up changing the direction of these small wooden pieces, and I'll explain why a little later on in the video. I didn't have a 6 by 6 inch piece of wood for the bottom, so I ended up doing this instead. Now that I've changed the direction of my small wood pieces, I'm able to place down these 4 by 5 inch square planks. I added 3 coats of white paint and 1 coat of sealant to this design. I could have painted the inside of the word home in a different color or embellished this piece in a number of different ways, but I've decided to keep it super simple by just adding gold trim that I already had at home. I placed a glass vase and florals that I already had at home inside of my design, and here's the finished look. I really love how all 3 projects turned out. They are simple but elegant, and I think that the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree are well worth the $1.25. But are they worth more than that price? Will you continue to shop at Dollar Tree if they raise prices on items like these? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this week's video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!